Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am on vacation and I want to do some thrifting. So we've been in the Phoenix area, kind of Phoenix, Scottsdale area for like the last week almost, which has been so great. But something that I've wanted to do since we've been here is go thrifting. So I've kind of come to the conclusion that I really like Western, like 70s, kind of rock and roll vibes for my clothes, and I feel like Arizona might be a really great place to pick up some of those items. So my hope is to kind of find some of those things today and take you along with me. Sorry if I'm looking weird. I posted a video yesterday on Saturday where I was like getting ready, and I brought you along with the get ready with me process. And I told you this, but I bit my lip the other day like really hard, and it's like really annoying. And so I have like medicine I'm taking for it, and so if I'm talking weird or it like looks weird, that's why. It's like my whole mouth is like swollen and it's like hurting my whole jaw, and so talking hurts. So enough talking, let's go shopping. That makes things better all the time. On to stop number 2. First stop was Savers, which is like my favorite thrift store. Well, like brand of thrift store. Unique is my favorite one. But here it's called Savers. They have Savers in Minneapolis too, but I prefer Unique. But I found 2 things, and they weren't exactly like the things I was looking for. Still super cute. But on to stop number 2, we're stopping at Goodwill because everywhere has Goodwill, and you never know what you're gonna find. So here we go. Thrifting done. I think it was a pretty good success. Didn't get anything like too Western like I was hoping, but got some good finds, and I'm excited to show them to you. So we'll get started with the try-on haul, I guess. Okay, so it's been a few days. Sorry. I got distracted in Arizona, and we're actually packing up to get ready to go home today. It's Wednesday and we're heading home. Just doing some final like cleaning up around the house here that we're staying at. And I thought I would finally share with you what I got thrifting. So everything I got is very like brown toned. So this first thing is what I'm wearing. It's this turtleneck. It's kind of like this weird like fall print, like little squares, but also like flowers. I liked the flowers a lot. And then little like weird square flower things. But I just thought it was like so cozy and like fall-like, and I like the sleeves too. So they have like a tight sleeve, but then it also kind of like bells out a little bit. There's like a little like ruffle, or not ruffle, but like, I don't know, puckering, I don't know what you would call it. Anyways, I like it. I took a poll on Instagram on whether I should get it. The majority of people said I should. There was quite a few people that said I shouldn't, so whatever, I got it anyways. And I believe this was, everything still has the tags on it. I think this was like $3.99, $3.49. This was from Value Village, by the way, or not Value Village, Savers. I think this is $3.49. Anywho, oh, that's gonna itch me now. But I thought it'd be so cute with like a jean jacket over it, maybe with like a scarf or something and some skinny jeans. It's just very fall-like. Moving on, I think maybe my favorite thing, and I might wear this today with a denim jacket over it, is this dress. It's actually like a nightgown, but whatever. It's this soft pink color, and it's just like the softest material ever. I love the bottom of it. It has like a double bottom. You've got like this ruffly edge, and then also this edge, just the like regular dress that goes over it. And it's just the cutest thing ever. This was the other, oh no, I got this at Goodwill actually. This is just so cute. The sleeves have like a little button on them, or you can roll them up and they have like a little spot where you can like button them up. But it's just so cute, so soft. It's from the brand Soft Surroundings. Oh, that's why it's so soft. This is 76% cotton and 24% silk. So that's what I love about the thrift stores. You can find like some really great quality stuff, and this was $4.99. I mean, I'm sure it'd be so cozy as a nightgown, but I want to wear that like as a dress or like as like a tunic. It's just adorbs. This is another one that I got from Goodwill. This is a skirt. I've been like wanting skirts for a while and just haven't really found any that I've been like super crazy about. But this is like a full-length skirt. Like it's like long, it goes down. Well, I'm kind of tall, I have long legs, and so it doesn't like hit my feet or anything. It's like a little above my ankles. If I wore ankle booties with it, it would be like kind of right on the edge. But it's so cute. I love the texture of it and like the color. It's just this like really great brown color with like this nice cozy texture. It's pretty soft, it's kind of thick. It has an elastic waistband, and so this is the stuff I'm always like, what do I wear this with? I don't really know, but we'll see. I liked it with a little Hawaiian shirt. I thought that was cute. And then on one side you have a slit, so not a super high slit. It goes up to like my knee, but I like it. It is very cozy. This was from Goodwill. Is $5.99, but when I went to the brown tags were 50% off, so it was like $3. Pretty snazzy. The last Goodwill find are these pair of pants. I saw them, they weren't even in like the right size section. Whenever I go to Goodwill, I usually look from about 8 to 12, or like any thrift store, I kind of look between like the 8 to 12 size area. Some places do it different. Some places have like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like every number. So I kind of look just in that range, because sometimes stuff is in the wrong spot and then you never know how things are gonna fit. And so these weren't even, these were in like the pants section. Well, I think these, yeah, these are labeled as jeans. So they always have like a jeans section and then like a pants section. These were in the pants section, but like in like tiny section. It was like 1s and 2s kind of thing. But these are not. But these are so cute. They're like these high-waisted striped jeans, and they're definitely jeans. Like they're a jean material. The color that's in here is jean. It's like a dark blue. And then the other color is like a yellowy white color. But I was just immediately drawn to these when I saw them, and I loved them so much. They are like a boot cut, but I think it'd be super cute with some boots. They are a little bit on the shorter side for me. If I have flares, I want them to be like super long so I can wear like some boots or something with them and then they still like hit the floor. But I think also like a kind of cute look is to wear pants that just hover like right at your foot and then wear them with like some boots, and then you've got like a little bit of chunk between the pant and the ground. I don't know. They're cute. They're from New York & Company, like old school New York & Company. I used to love New York & Company growing up. It was like one of mine and my sister's and my mom's favorite place to shop for some reason. I don't know why, because all of their stuff was kind of geared towards like women and like dressing up kind of. But my first job where I did have to dress up, I bought so many things from there. But these were just such a good find. I love them. I think they'll be super fun in fall. And these were again on the brown tag at Goodwill, so they were $8.99, but that made them $4.50. And then the last thing, I keep going back and forth on whether that pink dress is my favorite or this is my favorite. This is the coziest sweater. It's a Forever 21 sweater, and I got this. This was another one from Savers. And it's like this full length sweater. Like, it's so long. I've been looking for a sweater this length since like last year, but I've been a little bit picky about them because I have found some and they just look too like put together, or like they just look too, I don't know, too like nice. I don't know. But this one is so cute. It's brown. And then it has like this fringe all over it, which is so adorable. And it looks like it was like kind of crocheted. It's got like a loose knit, but it goes down to like almost my feet. It has a little bit of fringe on the bottom that just kind of goes down the whole side. And so it's adorable. It's everything I could have wanted. There was one little like snag on the bottom. You can't even really see it. It was like right in here. And I kind of just like pushed it in to the inside of the sweater, and it's like you'll never see it. And this was $3.99. Like, you can't get a sweater like this for $3.99. Such a good deal. That was my thrift haul here in Arizona. I'm extremely happy with everything I got. I ended up going to a, what is that place called? Buffalo Exchange the other day as well, and was like, thought I was gonna find so many things because it was in this really cute area of Phoenix, and like I was hoping for some really cute Western wear, like some vintage Western wear. And I did find a few things that were so cute, just nothing fit. I feel like that's always how it works for me with like Buffalo Exchange or like Crossroads, any of those kind of places where they like buy stuff and then resell it. I feel like I find really cute things, but they never work out. Like, I can't even remember the last time I bought something from one of those kind of places because it just never works. Where if I go to like a Savers or a Goodwill, or my favorite, Unique, it's just like I find everything and everything works, and it's so cute, and it's like so much more affordable, where there was like a few things that I did like at Buffalo Exchange that if they would have fit, I would have been kind of bummed because they were like pretty expensive. There was actually a jacket that I was so close to buying. It was like a suede leather jacket, and it was tan, and it had a ton of fringe on it, but it was like $50. And I just couldn't go through with it. I know $50 for a leather jacket is not bad. I bought a leather jacket last year for like $150, and that was even like a good deal. And so I understand like leather is just different, but it wasn't in great condition. It had like some spots on it, and so I was like, if I'm gonna spend $50 on a leather jacket, I want it to be pristine, and I want it to be exactly what I'm looking for. So I missed out on that, but oh well. Yeah, that was the video. Thanks so much for joining me here in Arizona. Like I said, we're packing up to head out. We've got a few last coffee stops today, I think. Maybe some lunch or something, and then we're heading back to Minneapolis tonight. And we land at midnight tonight. Ugh, that's gonna be gross. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and until next time, bye guys!